As you begin looking for the best electrical charcoal starter, you will most likely notice that there are quite a few to choose from. This can decide on which one to purchase, which is much more challenging. The following 5 electrical charcoal starters are some of the best on the market today. This means that no matter which one you choose, you cannot go wrong. So in this video we will discuss 5 best electric charcoal starter. Don't worry, you will not face any hassle to find the product links. I will include the product links in the description. Number 1. HomeRight Electro-Torch. The HomeRight Electro-Torch is a handy device to have when you need to get a fire going quickly to feed the hungry members of your household. You can also use it for lighting your fireplace, wood stove, or even a campfire, provided you have an outlet nearby to plug into, as the cord isn't very long. The Electro-Torch uses 1500 degrees of hot air to ignite the charcoal in your grill or any other type of kindling used for your chosen fire. It includes a dual ignition switch, which has one setting for igniting the charcoal or wood and a second setting for high-velocity airflow to give you a roaring fire. This switch isn't lockable, so you do need to hold it down the entire time you're using this charcoal starter. There is a built-in thermal safety switch that will cut off the power to the device if it overheats. When it cools down, the unit automatically resets, so it is ready to go the next time you need it. This tool starts a fire in only 2 to 3 minutes, which is faster than many other models on the market. It isn't too big, so you can pack one in your RV and take it on the road with you if needed. The cord is a bit short, so an extension cord may be needed when using it in the backyard or at a campground. Number 2. Looftlighter X Electric Charcoal Starter. The Looftlighter X may be the most expensive electric charcoal starter on this list, however, if you want a high-quality fire starter, you cannot go wrong with this one. The Looftlighter brand has been in the business of making your grilling experience easier for many years. The greatest feature of this particular electric charcoal starter is that you do not have to hassle with finding a plug for it. This is because this fire starter wand is completely cordless but still packs the same amount of power. Although it takes a couple of hours to reach a full charge, it should then last for several grilling sessions before needing to be recharged. Additionally, it only takes a few seconds to light and reaches temperatures up to about 1200 degrees Fahrenheit. This is the electric fire starter that I have and use at home. Number 3. VENYN Multipurpose Charcoal Burner. Though the VENYN Multipurpose Charcoal Burner is designed for use with hookahs, it is versatile, so you can use it for your barbecues and smokers, plus heat a hot beverage if needed. It is compact and lightweight, too, so you can use it at home or take it with you camping, to a friend's house, or anywhere else. This tool is coated with porcelain, which is heat and corrosion resistant, adding to its durability. To start it up, you just plug it in, turn it on, and add your charcoal. Heat up time is only 3 to 5 minutes, so you don't have to wait around for hot coals. There is also a heat control power adjuster that allows you to turn the heat up or down as needed. The stainless steel charcoal tray is removable, so you don't need to worry about dropping any charcoal and burning a hole in your carpet. A top plate can be placed on the tray as well to warm up some coffee or tea. The handle on the side of the unit is also removable, so you can attach it to the steel tray for lifting and carrying it. You can also use the handle as tongs for picking up the hot charcoal and placing it in the hookah. If left attached to the burner, the handles do get hot, though, so it's best not to leave them on there for too long. Number 4. MIGI Wolf Electric Charcoal Fire Starter. If you are looking for one of the best electric charcoal fire starters without the hefty price tag, look no further than the MIGI Wolf brand. This model is reasonably priced to fit just about any budget without sacrificing quality. The MIGI Wolf Charcoal Fire Starter may not have the same amount of power that other models have, but it works great for getting your fire going in seconds. You also can purchase this model in a variety of colors. This electric charcoal starter can reach temperatures of about 1100 degrees Fahrenheit, which means that it has the power to get your grill going in a few seconds. The MIGI Wolf also features a safety switch which must be depressed for the device to operate. Number 5. Barbecue Dragon Charcoal Starter. Technically speaking, the Barbecue Dragon Charcoal Starter doesn't actually start the fire in your barbecue, fireplace, or smoker since it doesn't create any heat. You still need to light the fire by more conventional methods, such as some paper and matches. You just don't need any accelerants to speed up how quickly the heat spreads throughout the charcoal, since the barbecue dragon does this for you. It includes a variable speed fan that directs the chosen amount of cool air onto the charcoal, adding oxygen to help the fire catch and spread faster. Your charcoal will be lit and ready for grilling in only a few minutes after the barbecue dragon is put to work. This handy device uses stainless steel for the main body and the long adjustable neck. This material is durable enough to withstand the heat from the grill, even when the fan's on high and pushing the flames to the max. There is a heavy-duty spring-loaded clamp on the end that allows you to attach it to your barbecue, fire pit, or anywhere else you need it. You can move it whenever needed for the best airflow or bend the neck without shifting the entire tool's position. This unit uses 4 AA batteries, though these won't last long if using it regularly. Rechargeable batteries are a good replacement, using the USB port in the device and the included micro-USB cable to charge them when needed. If you enjoy this video, like the video, hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon for more interesting videos like this.